Well, it turns out the cable had actually broken inside of the shifter, so I had to disassemble the shifter. So this has to be removed. There may have been some kind of special tool to do that with, but I don't have it. So I have to do it the difficult way. And then you can remove the barrel. And the spring just shot out. It was seated right in there. This whole assembly is removable. Just kind of pry it out. And it has a little spring right here that can only be installed one way. Because if you try to do it the other way, it won't be angled. Well, it won't even fit in. So it's like that. And then you can see that's where the end of the cable sits. Now this has a little bit of the dial indicator left. It is broken. The part on the inside is broken, so that won't be re-hooked up. I think the pieces of that dial indicator fit into one of these grooves. But in here, you can see these notches that go around, and that's what this spring fits into and makes the clicking sound. So I'll reassemble it to get it into the first gear position. So you can see there's a little kind of like a pin there, and the spring fits into that. And then on this barrel there's another pin you can see right there, and we've got to get that to fit into there. And it's kind of tricky to do it without the spring sliding out. Okay, and there it is. But we do have to put that end back on, or else the barrel will come apart. So just line that up, and it clicks back into place. And before you put the new cable on, you tighten the barrel all the way down and then loosen it back a full turn. This is how the cable goes in. You got to have it shifted, in this case, all the way to the highest gear. Sometimes it gets stuck at the elbow of the barrel. Well, I couldn't get it to cooperate, so I had to take it apart again just so I can get the cable to go where it's supposed to go. I'll have to do this. See the end of the cable here, and it's just fits right in like that. shifting is back in order. I'll see you next time.